Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create multiple images of the same size in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show create multiple images of the same size. Now firstly going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now select from a file. Now find your picture. Now select from multiple picture. Then click. Now click for insert option. Then you show the insert picture. Then now you can see multiple picture. Move the side by side. Now select from multiple picture. Now keyboard press from shift. Now every picture. Now for click. Then going to the format menu option. Now click for hide option. Now press from 4. Then press from 4. Now click press for enter. That is, now we move the multiple pictures side by side. Now you can see create multiple image of the same size in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for